Today, we're diving into a world of incredible creativity and human ingenuity. Get ready to be amazed as we unveil 5 extraordinary inventions that are changing the game and redefining the future. From cutting-edge tech to brilliant solutions for everyday life, these creations are nothing short of mind-blowing. Imagine transforming into a masterful creator capable of crafting 7 remarkable robots. In recent years, we've marveled at the wonders of quadruped robots, self-balancing marvels, and omnidirectional wonders. Have you ever dreamt of having your very own Ugot Robotic Kit? Now you can. This exceptional kit empowers users to assemble these bots and so much more. Currently, it's the star of a Kickstarter campaign brought to life by the ingenious minds at Uptech, a Hong Kong robotics company. 6 years ago, this very company astounded the world by orchestrating the largest synchronized dance performance featuring a multitude of robots. Ugot is composed of multiple modules, each designed for specific functions, such as data processing with its quad-core Cortex-A55 CPU, locomotion sensing, and interfacing. The magic lies in the ingenious locking knob system, allowing these units to seamlessly connect in diverse combinations, giving birth to a universe of unique robots waiting to be brought to life. Introducing the Apex Maker X1, an industrial high-speed 3D printer that's set to revolutionize the way you bring your designs to life. Are you tired of being held back by small 3D printers that limit your creativity and slow you down? It's time to embark on a journey to print a whole new world of possibilities. With the Apex Maker X1, you have the power of the world's first 3D printer that combines a massive 16 inches mono LCD with mind-blowing 8 Kelvin resolution. This groundbreaking technology unlocks a vast build volume, allowing you to create multiple items at once and take your production to a whole new scale. What sets this marvel apart is its incredible 46.46 million square pixels design. It breathes life into the tiniest of details, rendering faces full of emotion and intricate patterns with unrivaled clarity. Whether it's the expressive faces filled with emotion or intricate patterns, your creations will shine with precision. This incredible machine boasts a maximum printing speed of 180 millimeters per hour, significantly reducing the time it takes to transform your visions into tangible reality. Introducing Voixatch, a revolutionary smartwatch designed for an alternate world where the lines between watches and earphones blur into a single, innovative product. For far too long, companies have inundated us with redundant products, each offering slight variations of the same functionality. Consider this: your phone, watch, and earbuds all serve the purpose of delivering notifications to you, albeit through different channels. They also grant you access to your voice assistant and virtually all your essential data, such as your calendar, phone book, and other services. So, why clutter our lives with separate devices that essentially replicate each other's functions? Why invest in a pricey smartwatch for health tracking when your phone, courtesy of Apple or Samsung, could perform the same task seamlessly? Or even your earbuds, which possess the remarkable ability to detect your heartbeat via your ear canal and can easily monitor your body temperature. Your watch mirrors almost everything your phone accomplishes, while your earphones are smart enough to ensure you never have to reach for your phone to select a song, make a call, or pose questions to the internet. Presenting the Airspeeder Crewed, a groundbreaking leap in aeronautics that takes us into the future. Today, we're thrilled to introduce the Airspeeder MK4, a pioneering step towards the world's first piloted flying racing car. Crafted in the heart of Adelaide, South Australia, it stands as the planet's swiftest hydrogen-electric vertical takeoff and landing marvel. Picture this: it can soar to an astounding 360 kilometers per hour in a mere 30 seconds from a standstill, setting an unparalleled standard for performance and technology in the exhilarating realm of piloted airspeeder racing. This launch not only marks a milestone, but also swings wide the door for original equipment manufacturer teams to be part of a motorsport revolution. Airspeeder unveils the world's inaugural and speediest piloted flying racing car, revolutionizing the domain of performance sports. Equipped with a state-of-the-art electric propulsion system, advanced aerodynamics, and a mere takeoff weight of 950 kilograms, the Airspeeder MK4 boasts exceptional efficiency. It promises a projected range of 300 kilometers while leaving a nearly negligible environmental footprint with its near-zero emissions technology. Imagine a cutting-edge marvel called Kernel Flow, a wearable neuroimaging wonder. It's like having a window into the mysteries of the human mind, utilizing a blend of functional near-infrared spectroscopy and electroencephalography. This non-invasive, portable device offers real-time access to the enigmatic depths of the brain. FNIRS, the unsung hero, observes changes in blood oxygenation, serving as an indirect indicator of neural activity. Meanwhile, electroencephalography, the vigilant watchman, directly measures the electrical symphony within your brain. Well, here's where the magic happens. Kernel Flow synergizes these two technological titans, unveiling a comprehensive tapestry of your brain's activity that neither could paint alone. But that's not all. Kernel Flow is more than just a marvel. It's a beacon of hope for those grappling with neurological disorders like depression, anxiety, and Alzheimer's disease. It's leading the charge in pioneering treatments that could change lives. And for those at risk of neurological disorders, Kernel Flow stands guard, vigilantly monitoring their brain's health. Kernel Flow isn't just a device, it's a promise of unraveling the brain's deepest secrets, of revolutionizing our understanding of the most complex organ in our bodies, and ultimately, a promise to pave the way for groundbreaking neurological treatments.